In many cultures and religions, certain foods are allowed, while others are forbidden. One of the most frequently asked questions in Islam is about pork. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Lestari.
In this video, we will directly explore the reason behind the haram of pork, starting from the legal foundation in religion, spiritual, to scientific findings that reveal the health risks behind the animal. Let's explore why this rule remains relevant through the ages.
First, from religion side, in Islam and Judaism, this prohibition is direct order from God. For the believer, this is not just health advice, but a form of absolute obedience to the Creator. Avoiding pork is a symbol of the separation between the holy and the forbidden.
Muslims all over the world don't eat pork. It's one of the most known rules in Islam. Muslims follow this rule because they trust Allah.
Let's have a look at what the Quran says about pork. The Quran, we know, is the word of Allah. It tells Muslims what is allowed, that what is halal, and what is not allowed, that's haram. Pork is mentioned clearly as haram in 4 places in the Quran. Quran doesn't comment everything without reason, but profound wisdom is behind it. The first is Surah Al-Baqarah verse 173. So this verse shows that pork is haram. And the second is Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 3. So here again, pork is listed among the food that are not allowed. It's clear rule. And then Surah Al-An'am 145, so clearly the verse say pork is impure, is not clean. And the last is Surah Al-Nahl verse 150. So again, this verse repeat the same rule. It shows us just how important it is. It is forbidden to eat pork in all these verses of the Holy Quran. Spiritually, food is considered to have an influence on the soul. Many scholars and spiritual thinking argue that what goes into the body will affect a person's character. Pigs have historically been associated with not selective behavior in food and a less clean environment. Avoiding pork is seen as an effort to maintain inner purity, ensuring that the energy that fills the body comes from a good source.
And from the science side, pigs are known as hosts for various types of parasites and jaundice disease.
One of the most dangerous is Trichical spiralis, a tapeworm that can nest in human muscle. Unlike other livestock, the pig's digestive system works very fast, only about 4 hours. This cuts toxins from their food too often not to be filtered completely and stored in their fat tissue.
The prohibition of pork is a harmony between faith obedience and health protection. He proved that religious rules often have hidden wisdom that was only revealed by science centuries later. Alright, thank you for following this explanation. Hopefully this information broadens our horizon and respect for each other belief. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.